The complaints received, action taken, and the results are to be monitored by the State Steering Committee, and all such details are directed to be uploaded in the Revenue Department website Tamil Nadu government website, enabling the citizens to know about the status of their complaints representations or information regarding the encroachments of government lands, public properties, water bodies, etc. Stop in the event of negligence, lapses or dereliction of duty on the part of the competent authority under the statutes or any department in removing the encroachments and to protect the government properties. Then the divisional monitoring committees oblique district monitoring committees oblique state steering committee are directed to recommend for initiation of appropriate disciplinary action against the concerned authorities who have committed such misconduct under the service rules stanza in terms of the order passed in the above writ petition. This writ petition stands disposed of. The official respondents are directed to initiate all appropriate actions in the manner known to law. The accused was acquitted to the charge inter alia for non-compliance of the mandatory provision under section 13 class 2 of the Prevention of Food Adulteration Act, which ground is seriously opposed by the learned public prosecutor. As could be seen from the impugned judgment, the notice under section 13 clause 2 was sent to the accused by the Director of Local Health Authority Hyderabad under Exhibit P13. The prosecution only produced the postal receipt Exhibit P12 evidencing dispatch of Exhibit P13, which is the notice under section 13 class 2 of the said act. Considering Exhibit P12 and P13, the lower court found that though the prosecution proved the dispatch of Exhibit P13, it failed to prove service of Exhibit P13 on the accused. The language employed under Section 13 Clause 2 of the Prevention of Food Adulteration Act is that the report of public analyst shall be served on the accused in such manner as may be prescribed. The manner prescribed is by registered post with the acknowledgement due. Therefore, mere proof of dispatch is not sufficient, particularly when the accused denied having received the said notice. It may be possible in the ordinary course of events that the acknowledgement, which is a small piece of paper, may be lost in transit. But the prosecution in fairness should have taken minimum steps to summon the postal personnel to establish delivery of the registered cover containing section 13 (2) notice, particularly when it relies on exhibits P13, which is the receipt of dispatch of the cover containing notice under section 13 within bracket 2 of the said act stop this sort of minimum exercise to prove compliance with a mandatory provision is very much expected from the prosecuting agency stop. Unfortunately, the prosecuting agency did not do well on this behalf for the reasons best known to itself stop since the prosecution failed to prove compliance with a mandatory provision. The lower court is quite justified in acquitting the accused on this ground coupled with other grounds. Stop. I see no reason to interfere with the order of acquittal passed by the lower court. Stop. The appeal thus fails and is accordingly dismissed. Stop. Over.